Someone once said that Jaguar should only come in British racing green. That person, me, was right. Let's check it out. Hi. Today we're unboxing a Jaguar XJ220. The scale is 118. The manufacturer is Maisto, the special edition series, and the part number is 31807. So let's dig in. The XJ220 was destined to be a collector's item ever since its inception. I remember seeing its pictures in magazines like Road and Track and L'Auto Journal when my brother and I were kids, and my jaw would drop every single time. It just looked stunning. The XJ220 was the fastest production car from 1992 to 1993. Not many die-cast manufacturers made this Jaguar. I know that Top Mark made one, but I don't think there are many other manufacturers, if any. I picked up this one a few years ago in a gift shop when I was looking for a birthday gift for a colleague, so it was an impulse buy. This is the real XJ220, pictured here at the Goodwood Breakfast Club. So, the wheels look like the real thing, even though I never liked this specific wheel design. But that's just my opinion. The XJ220 lettering is there by the rear wheels. The engine cover does open on this model, but I tried a couple of times and it looked stuck, so I didn't want to risk it. The windshield wipers look fine. So does the emblem in the front. The headlights don't pop open, by the way. Kinda thought they did. The lines on this model look good from a distance. Cheap stickers. My worst nightmare. Exhaust tips aren't that great either. But it's a Jaguar. So of course I bought it. The trunk compartment doesn't open either. But again, it's a Jaguar. Clearly, this isn't a trunk compartment. You can see the two huge fans in the front. Jaguar actually had to warn its clients not to use the front trunk compartments for their luggage. The interior is meh at best. The seat belts look more like a zip tie, to be honest. The sunroof and the transparent engine cover look good. The engine itself is okay, but okay becomes good for a value model. I know we might never see these petrol cars from Jaguar ever again, so at least I have this one. With the classic branding, of course. The Jaguar XJ220 is sleek, clean, and very attractive. It's what a supercar is supposed to look like. The model is okay overall, disappointing in some places, and I wouldn't pay a lot for it. But it's still a Jaguar. And that's that.